Hello, Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. Here I will help you in Olympiad preparation as well as you are going to get the updates and detailed knowledge of various Olympiad exams. We are going to start an Olympiad preparatory series for grade 5 to 7 for mathematics. We start with the preparation of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad, where I will teach you to solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. In this book, every chapter contains 40 questions, which I have divided in three-part videos of 14, 14, and 12. You will get two videos every week for your respective class. To get the updates of these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with the worksheet questions. Grade 6 Silver Zone Comprehensive Book, Chapter 1 Number and its Operation, Part 3. Question number 29. If a number is divisible by two co-prime numbers, then the number is divisible by their product also? Yes. The number may not be divisible by their product? No, it will be divisible. The number is divisible by their sum? It is not compulsory. The number is not divisible by their sum? It is not compulsory. So option A is the correct answer. 29, option A. 30. Find the sum of greatest and least 5-digit numbers formed by 0, 1, 7, 5, 2. So to write the greatest number using the digits, we have to just arrange the digits from the greatest to smallest. So this is your 7, 5, 2, 1, 0. Now smallest number will be your 1, 0, 2, 5, 7. We have to arrange the number from smallest to greatest. But if we put 0 in the extreme left, so it will be a 4-digit number. That's why we have to keep 0 in the just left of the smallest non-zero number. This one is. We have to find the sum of it. So 7, 5 plus 1, 6, 4, 5, 8. Answer should be 85,467. That is your B. So 30 answer will be B. 31. In a survey over a town, it was found that 1 out of every 27 person is illiterate. 1 out of 27. If the population of the town was 4,95,612, then how many illiterate persons were there in the town? It means 1 out of 27. Then in 4,95,612, so 1 upon 27 multiply by this. So in this one, we will just multiply numerator with numerator. 49,5612 divide by 27, and if we divide it with numerator with the denominator, so you will find the answer 18,356. Answer should be A. 31 answer is A. 32. The number of common prime factors, this, and this. So first we will find the prime factors of the individual numbers. So 4, 6, 2, find its common factors. Divide with 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2. Now it will be divisible by 3, 3 7s are, and then 3 7s are. Now 7 11s are, now 11 1s are. These are the common prime factor. These are the prime factor of 462. Okay, now 3 7 8. 2 1s are 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18. Okay, now divide by 3. 3 6s are 18, 3 3s are, now divide by 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are. Now again 3 7s are, now 7 1s are. Okay, 5 4 6. divide by 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 sevens are 14, 2 threes are 6. Now by 3, 3 nines are 27, 3 ones are now 13, sevens are now 7, ones are. The common prime factor in between them are, we can see there is 2, 2 and 2. There are 3, 3, 3. All the number have 7 also. Is there any more? I don't think so. So there are 3 common prime factor. That is option C. The 32nd answer is option C. 33rd question. A mobile number consists of 10 digits. First 4 digits are this and the last 3 digits are this. The remaining digits are the distinct and make the mobile number the greatest possible number. Find these digits. So first write the number. First I'm just fixing the positions. So fixing the positions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and then 10. Has the 10 digits, first 4 digits starting में है 9, last 3 digits 7 8 9, 7 8 9, remaining 3 digits ये जो है यहाँ पे ये 3 जो यहाँ बनेंगे numbers, these are the different from, it cannot be 7, it cannot be 8, it cannot be 9, ये नहीं हो सकते हैं. तो we are left with 1 2 3 4 5 6. ठीक है, इतने हमारे पास. बट वी हैव टू मेक द ग्रेटेस्ट पॉसिबल नंबर. टू मेक द ग्रेटेस्ट पॉसिबल नंबर एंड वी हैव टू यूज द डिफरेंट नंबर्स ऑल्सो. तो 6 5 4, 6 5 4, we can take 6 5 4 so that it can be the greatest possible number. So 33rd answer is A. 33 option A. Okay. Question number 34. Evaluate this and find the answer. So for the evaluation, we will use the BODMAS rule. And to using the BODMAS rule, first we will solve the innermost bracket. सबसे पहले हम innermost bracket करेंगे. 3 6 4 multiply by 8. 8 4s are 32. Carry 3. 8 6s are 48 plus 3 51. Carry 5. 8 3s are 24 plus 5 29. 2912. Okay, now 2912 and then we will solve the curly bracket. 2912 plus 85. So plus 85. It should be 5 plus 2 7 9 9 2. Okay, now minus this divide by this. Now we will do the division first. So 3 4 7 4 divide by 9. So 3s are 27, 7 0, 7 will drop down, 9 8s are 72, now 6, sorry, now 5 and 4 to 0, 9 6s are 50. ठीक है, तो 3 8 6. So here it is, I am writing the expression again. First one is 2997. This option is 2997 and then 386. Subtract this two because it is in the big bracket. ठीक है, if we will subtract this two, 7 minus 6 1 1 and then 6 and then 2. Now plus 3 multiply by 15 divide by 5. So 3 multiply, first we will do the division. 5 3s are 15. ठीक है, now 2 6 1 1 plus 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1 10, carry 1 1 2 6 2 2 6 2 0. This is in the option A. 34th answer is option A. 35. A box contains 5 strips having 16 capsules of 250 mg medicine in each capsule. means weight of each capsule is 250 milligram and one strip contains 16 capsule. ठीक है, and a box contains 5 strips. Find the total weight of the medicine in grams in 24 such boxes. So first we have to we know the weight of one capsule. So first we will find the weight of 16 capsule because 16 capsule is in one strip. So first we have to find the weight of one strip. The weight of one strip equal to weight of 16 capsule. That is your 16 multiplied by 250. If you multiply it, no carry a 14,000, 4,000. It will be 4,000. Okay? 16 capsule, 4,000. Now they have 5 strips. The weight of 5 strips. 5 strip equal to 4,000 multiplied by 5. That is your 20,000. Okay? Now we have to find the 24 such boxes. So one box contains 5 strip. It means weight of 5 strip equal to weight of one box. So weight of 24 such boxes equal to 20,000 multiplied by 24. This is your 24 are 48, 0 and 000. ठीक है, this is your 480000. This is your milligram because we are doing the calculation in the milligram now. To convert it into gram, we have to divide it with 1000. As we know, 1 gram equal to 1000 milligram. So it means 480 gram. This is in the option C. The 35th answer will be option C. Question number 36. The greatest 4-digit number which is exactly divisible by this. So first we will find the least number which is divisible by this. And to find the least number 12, 22, 32 and 36, we have to find the LCM of it. तो ठीक है, 2 से 2 6 are, 2 11 are, 2 16 are and 2 18 are. Again 2 3s are, 11, 8s are and 2 9s are. Again 3 से 3 1s are, 11, 8, 3 3s are. Is there any more common factor? To no. So LCM equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 3 equal to. The product of this is 3168. Okay? This is the 4-digit number which can be divisible by these numbers. But question is asking for the greatest 4-digit number. So we know greatest 4-digit is 9999. We have to divide it with 3168. So if we take this and multiply it with 3, 3168 multiplied by 3, so we will get 9504. 9504. 9 minus 4, 5, 9, 4 and then 0. So this is the extra number in this greatest number. If we remove this extra number 495 from here, so we can get the greatest 4-digit number. 9 minus 5, 4, 9 minus 9, 0, now 5, now 9. 95404 is the number which can be divisible by these numbers. 36 answer is option B. 37. The floor of a room is 10 meter 25 centimeter long, 8 meter 75 centimeter broad. Find the least number of square tiles of the same size for covering the whole floor. So first we have to find the size of that square tile which can cover the whole floor. ठीक है, तो to find that common size, the greatest size of the square will be the highest common factor of this two dimension. ठीक है, तो highest, to find the highest common factor, convert it in the centimeter first. So length equal to 1025 centimeter, because we know 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, and breadth is equal to 875 centimeter. HCF equal to, so we will find the HCF using long division method. 1025 will be your dividend, 875 will be divisor. We can divide in one time 875. After subtraction, you will get 150. Again, divide 150. 875. So sevens are, no, fives are 750. 5, 7 minus 5, 2. Now 1. Divide 150. Ones are 150. Sorry, 125. So we will get 25 and 125. So fives are. You are getting 25 as the HCF. HCF equal to 25. So side of the one square tile should be 25 centimeter. Okay, side of one square tile should be 25 centimeter. Now the number of tiles. To find the number of tiles, what we have to do? We have to find the area of the floor, and area of the floor is 1025 multiplied by 875. This is the area of the floor, and divide by area of the square tile, that is your 25 multiplied by 25. ठीक है, this is the area of the rectangle, this is the area of the square, and if you solve it, so you will find, after multiplying and multiplying it and then dividing with it, you will find 1435. Total number of square tiles should be 1435. 37th answer is option B. 38th answer. How many two-digit prime numbers are there which on reversing their digits remain prime still? So two-digit number which can be after reversing can be prime. So prime numbers will be started from 11. 11 is the number. 11 can be reversed and it will be prime only. Then 12 cannot be possible. 13, yes, 13 and 31. 14, 15, nahi, 16, no, 17, yes, and 71, yes, both are prime. Not 18, not 19 and 91 cannot be possible. 19 and then 20. Actually, 2 is the tens place digit. So after reversing, it will come at the ones place digit, and it will become the even number. So all the even numbers will be a composite number. So we can't take 2, 4, 6, 8, any of these numbers. ठीक है, तो 71. Okay, now just move from directly move to the 38th series. So if we will move to the 30th series, 31, 13 I have already taken, 33 cannot be possible, 35, 37, yes, it can be possible, 37 and 73. ठीक है, इसके बाद 39, no. Now 40 series we cannot take, 50 series we cannot take because 5 will come in the ones place and it will be divisible by 5. 60 series cannot take, 70 series, yes, there are a 79 still left. So 79 and 97. Now 80 series we cannot take. In the 90 series there is only 97. ठीक है, so how many of them are? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total two-digit numbers are 9. So 38th answer will be option D. Okay, question number 39. Which of the following statement is not correct? Okay. All the whole numbers are integer? Yes, correct. 0 is not an integer as it is neither positive nor negative. No. 0 is an integer. Okay. So this is wrong. That's why option B is the correct answer. 39th answer will be B. Integer is the collection of all negative, positive and 0. Question number 40. The sum of successor and predecessor of minus 1. So minus 1, its predecessor will be minus 2, its successor will be 0. And sum of minus 2 and 0 will be minus 2. That is option C. So 40 answer is C. So product. Hope you understood all the answers explained here. If so, please write yes in the comment section. I have provided the link of PDF note of this worksheet in the description box. You can download it from there. And if you want to practice more such questions, you can download our app from the Play Store and can buy the test series of your respective class. Thanks for watching.